Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tootie. So I have another video for you guys today. I'm excited. This one is not acrylic, this is gel. So I'm going to show you guys how I do a clear gel overlay nail enhancement or whatever. So to start, I've already drilled, removed the shine. Right now I am removing the shine off the nail tips. I don't do this with acrylic, but with gel doesn't stick to shiny things, so you have to buff the nail tip if you use a nail tip. If you use a form, it doesn't matter because you're going to peel the form off anyway. So that's what I'm doing. I dust up the nails and I cleaned them with alcohol. I primed them, and now I am taking the gel. I'm using IBD, and I'm just taking a little bit of it as a base, and I'm just painting it on the nail like it would be nail polish or something, and you're just rubbing it in really good, getting into all like the ridges and stuff. This is just going to be a base layer for your gel, so you don't have to buy like a base layer. You can just use your same gel that you already like own. So I use IBD. I've been using IBD since forever, and I love it. It lasts long, it works good, and it's affordable. So that's all I'm doing. So with gel, when you're applying gel, you do one finger at a time, put it in the light, go to the next hand, do that finger. So this right here, I have this part of me applying the gel in real time, so this isn't sped up at all. This is exactly how fast I go. So what I'm doing is obviously starting with the pinky. I put the blob of gel and I floated it to the cuticle, pushing it up to the cuticle, and this gel self levels, so if it looks a little funny, it levels itself out, as you can see, and just float it down side, moving it side to side. And with this gel, like if it's really warm outside and say your house or room wherever you're working is warm, it'll be more runny. When it's cold, it's nicer to work with, but when it's warm, it's not as fun because it'll run into the sidewalls and the cuticle. But this is a little bit closer up, as you can see how I'm pushing it towards the cuticle, not touching the skin, just getting it as close as possible to the sidewalls and everything. I would say maybe, I don't know how long it takes me to do a nail, probably 30 seconds to a minute a nail, or whatever. And I'm just floating it down, making sure it's thicker in the area where the tip meets the nail, because if you're gonna break, you're usually gonna break right there. So when you do this, quickly check from the side view and make sure it's level. It has a nice curve or whatever, a nice thickness in the right area, and then pop it in the light. If it's, as you can see, I kind of wiped the sides because I was trying to keep the shape so I wouldn't have to do too much work when filing, but gel does file easier than acrylic, so you'll be able to just file it if the shape that you already planned kind of gets messed up, because gel sometimes isn't as easy to control like acrylic is. So this is the last nail I think I'm going to show you guys, and this nail I kind of got a little bit of the gel had gotten to the sidewalls a bit. And if that happens to you, like, you can either use like a toothpick or orange wood stick. I kind of just use like the side of my nail. But if you just linger on it and just let it sit, it will start running. That's why you only can do one nail at a time, because otherwise all the gel would run on the skin. And yeah, so you do one nail, pop it in the light, go to the next hand. So you're always working, not waiting for that other hand to come out the light so you can finish. No, you just keep working, keep moving, so you can get the nails done. As you can see, some got into the sidewall here, and I'm gonna try to wipe it off a bit, just like that, and have her quickly put it in the light. So obviously with gel, everyone knows that it gets hot, it'll burn your nail bed or nail plate. It feels hot, like, and that just comes with gel. It's just it just comes with it. And some people can handle it more than others. She has thick nails, so she can handle it really well. And obviously, thicker the layer of gel, the more you'll feel the heat. So the first thin layer, no one feels any heat, but obviously the second layer, people will feel heat. But I am just now going to file just like acrylic now. We're all on the same level as far as filing. When I file gel, I don't use like a carbide bit. I use the fine sand band to file over the top. I thought I recorded that part, but I guess I didn't. But I'll use that because carbide bit will drill straight through the gel and it goes through it too quick, and you just need a sand band to file gel. You don't need tough carbide bits. Like acrylic takes carbide, but gel you don't really need it. You could probably hand file it, but using that e-file is quicker. So today we are doing a cool design. She kind of saw a picture on, I think it was either Pinterest or Instagram, I don't know. She brought a picture and wanted me to do it, so we're just completely remaking that design today. So we got some C&D creative play. I love the gel polish so much. It's so smooth and thin, like it's not thick, and it goes on so nice, and it's really pigmented too. So I've been buying more of these lately. I really like it. So I'm gonna be doing, I don't know what's the name of that design. It's like a checkerboard design, but I think they call it something else. I can't remember, but we're gonna do a checkerboard design type nail on the ring finger with white and black, and we're gonna do some hollow ombre on the middle finger. And yeah, so all that's going to be sped up. It's not going to be in real time, unfortunately. These nails took me about like 2 hours, I think. I'm not like the fastest nail tech, but my nails do last very long. So it's not about quantity, it's about quality, and people appreciate that more than just rushing them to get them out. Fills are quicker though, but this was a new set. So anyway, I'm gonna let you guys watch that. I really appreciate it. I'm super excited. We're at 500 subscribers. It's growing. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to know when I post, I usually post once a week. You can hit the notification bell so you can be notified. Enjoy the rest of the video. See you guys next time. Bye.